We have beef ribs we are going to bake in the oven. Super simple. All right, we're using our first recipe with Chicago sauce. This is the 7 toppings to a Chicago hot dog, all blended together into one super sauce. I call it like mustard on steroids. But first, all we're doing, it's really simple. Make a rub, and then we brush the Chicago sauce over the ribs, and then rub it, wrap it in foil, put it in the oven. All right, so I've got a 1/4 cup of salt, 1/4 cup brown sugar, tablespoon of onion, garlic, pepper, paprika, cumin. Now this will all be in a recipe. I'm just gonna put it all together here. Just wanted to, I'd usually just put it straight into a bowl, but obviously I wanted to show you guys what it is. And this is, the brown sugar was sitting out a little bit as we were setting everything up. It also would have been a little bit easier to blend. But all you have to do, just break this up. This is a nice rub. Basically, it's equal parts salt and sugar, plus a couple different spices. If you wanted to add cayenne pepper, I would say adding maybe a tablespoon of cayenne would be all that you need. This is a nice, all right, so there's our rub. As good as we're gonna get. Now we're gonna take our Chicago sauce and let's mix it up first so that it comes out easy. I'm just gonna liberally apply both sides of the rub. Got my handy dandy brush here. All this is gonna do, it's gonna be like, it's like food glue. Also, it's very tasty food glue, but I don't know if you can smell that, Tallulah, but it is very fragrant, so you know that there's a lot of flavor in there. That's gonna help season the meat in a very unique way, all right? Then all you do, flip over, do the underside as well, because once again, this is just going to flavor the ribs. And then all we're gonna do is wrap it up in foil. And I've got my oven on for 225 degrees. And I'm going to bake these off slow and low for about 5 to 6 hours. Once they start to peel the ribs, and then now, here we go, check this out. Just generously, see that rub? Both sides, like that. Let's flip this over. You can already go on here. You're just basically, it doesn't need to be perfect. You're just really just coating this here. That's it. And we're done. Now you don't have to, these are beef ribs. You don't have to use beef ribs. You can use pork ribs. We've been having a lot of pork, so we wanted to switch it up, have a little beef ribs here. There you go. There's one. Flip over to the second. A little more of my seasoning here. Just like that. And we are done. Let's wrap that up. And remember, slow and low, 225, 5 to 6 hours. We'll be back when these are ready. All right, guys, welcome back. We've got our beef ribs. These, I marinated them with Chicago sauce overnight with the seasoning. And then they were in the oven, these beef ribs were in the oven for about 5.5 hours. Just wrapped in foil. I had 3 racks here. So all you have to do here is just take them out of the foil. There's a little liquid in there. You can kind of keep that liquid, but I'm just gonna take this off. And you got it. I'm just going to put this over here. Here are our beef ribs. And then I'm just gonna take a little barbecue sauce. Brush it over the top. Now what you can do is you could also take these beef ribs after you throw a little barbecue sauce on them, is throw them on a hot grill just to char it, or since they're nice and warm, you can just eat them like this. Doesn't really matter. Super easy, but super tasty. So you got the seasoning, you got the Chicago sauce underneath, and now I need someone to try them out. Look at that. Super tasty beef rib. See that? Tallulah!
Hi!
Whoa, here you go. You want to try this?
Yes, please.
Okay.
That's really good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right. There it is. It's Chicago sauce. That's your winner. Can you taste a little of the, can you? Yeah? All right. You want any more sauce?
No, thank you.
Okay, great. Well, there it is. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and our recipe will also be on our website. So, thanks so much.
Bye.